How to fix AirPods Pro not connecting to iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, you can try to put the AirPods back in the case. So close the lid and wait for 15 seconds and then open the case and check for the light indicator. If no light shows, then you can try to go ahead and charge the case for a few minutes. Next, on your iPhone, go ahead and launch the Settings application and then tap on Bluetooth. Further, toggle off the Bluetooth toggle button and wait for a few seconds and then enable it again. Now open the AirPods case near your iPhone and try to connect. Next, in Bluetooth settings again, if your AirPods is still not connecting, then tap on the eye icon next to your AirPods and then tap on the Forget This Device option. In the confirmation, tap on Forget again, and now go ahead and reset your AirPods by pressing and holding the button on the back of the case for 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber and then white. Now bring the case near your iPhone and follow the on-screen setup again. And if your issue is still not fixed, then in Settings again, tap on General and then on Software Update. If an update is available, install it. Sometimes pairing bugs are fixed with the latest version. And lastly, if your issue is still not fixed, in General again, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then on Reset and then on Reset Network Settings. Reset your network settings, as this will reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections. Make sure you know your Wi-Fi password before resetting, and by now your issue should have been fixed. So, this is how you can fix AirPods Pro not connecting to iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.